opens the door.
Hello, hi. My name is Chloe.
Nice to meet you. So you're going to show us something about the new MG?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. When will this be available in Australia?
I believe it's from now on we can receive the pre-order, and the car may be available in the next year January.
So what, January next year?
Yes.
Fantastic. You're showing a right-hand drive model here.
So this one built for the sporty car,
Yep.
all-wheel drive,
Yep.
and the 0 to 100 kilometers speed up in the 3.2 seconds.
Fantastic.
Very super car.
That supercar.
Yes.
I have a Jaguar XKR, and I think that you might beat me.
I believe so.
So this is your personal car.
Yes. That's my personal car. I love it. So you can see they have wrap up for the touch screen for three of them. You got navigation here. You got your driver cluster here to show you all the information when you're driving. That's your situation for your batteries, your energy consumptions, your charging station, your charging situation here. Vehicle to load. That means you can use the power from your car. And here for your in this side, easy to organize for the air conditioning. Organize for the door open or close. That's for the drop down holding. Like this one.
Okay. And let there be light.
Yes.
That's fantastic. And the doors?
And the doors you can here also we got a button over here.
On the out. Yeah.
This car is an all-wheel drive. When you fully charge the car, the range is 443 kilometers.
That's a good range.
With 10 years bumper to bumper warranty, cars and batteries.
Fantastic.
Also, we MG offered 10 years free roadside assistance.
Do you have a price for a start?
I believe it's from at this stage from $127,000.
That's a starting price, yeah.
Yes.
And you have extras or everything's built in?
So I believe the mechanic will charge more. The colors, mechanic color.
Just the colors. I really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Thank you.